Hey, if you love great tasting food, I've got fantastic news for you. I'm Tracy Gardner from Pairing Base, and great tasting food is about to get even better. Just like when we added fresh, seasonal, artisanal, local, and high quality to our food experiences, the food got so much better than it was before. When we add something new, food and wine pairing 2.0 to the food experience, it's going to get better still. And that's what Pairing Base is all about. Pairing Base is a place you can come to find great pairings for the dishes you're eating all the time. 2.0 level pairings. Pairing Base is going to have tons of great information about food and wine pairing. And Pairing Base is going to spread the word as far and wide as possible that this is the way that the food experience is going to be as good as it could possibly be. So click the link below to find out more information about Pairing Base. Hey everyone, we got a ton of great videos for you. So click here to see the next one.